Welcome to another deep dive into the future of intelligence. I'm your host, Isabel, and today we have two incredible minds ready to break down a paper that honestly sounds like science fiction, but is very, very real. JJ Jai Young, ready to get our brains stretched.
Nah, I was just thinking about how this paper actually solves a problem I've been wrestling with for years. It's like giving a genius a notebook. Finally.
Do it, let's stop treating our AI like it has amnesia. This is the fix.
Channel everyone. Okay, so the title is a mouthful. Automatic ontology construction using LLMs as an external layer of memory, verification, and planning for hybrid intelligent systems. But let's use my latter technique. JJ, what is the one big problem this paper is trying to solve?
Simple, LLMs are brilliant but forgetful. They have no persistent structure. You ask a question, they answer from memory. But that memory is fuzzy. This paper says, give them a proper filing cabinet, an ontology, a knowledge graph that lives outside the model, built from RDF and OWL. Think of it like a library with a perfect card catalog.
And the key word is automatic. We don't want humans building that library. The paper proposes a pipeline. You feed it documents, APIs, even chat logs, and it does entity recognition, relation extraction, triple generation. Then it validates everything using SHACL and OWL constraints. It's self-correcting.
So it's not just a bigger brain. It's a brain with a filing system that checks its own work.
Exactly. And during inference, the LLM doesn't just guess. It looks at vector retrieval. That's your RAG, plus graph-based reasoning, plus external tools. It's a hybrid. The ontology layer becomes an external memory that is persistent and verifiable.
They tested it on the Tower of Hanoi benchmark, which is a classic multi-step planning problem. And the results showed that ontology augmentation improved performance significantly compared to baseline LLMs, because the model could reason about the state of the world, not just predict the next token.
So it's not just about remembering facts. It's about planning. That's huge for robotics, for enterprise AI, for anything that needs reliable decision-making.
Yes, the architecture transforms the system into a generation verification correction pipeline. The LLM generates an output. The ontology layer checks it for logical consistency. And if it's wrong, the system corrects itself. That's the holy grail.
And it addresses the key limitations: lack of long-term memory, weak structural understanding, limited reasoning. This is a foundation for agent-based systems that can actually be trusted.
So we're not just building smarter chatbots. We're building systems that can think, remember, and verify their own thoughts. That's the future. Thank you both for this incredible conversation.
Thank you, Isabel. Always a pleasure.
Do it, thanks for having me.
And thank you, channel everyone, for diving deep with us. See you next time.